Before installing a new NAS operating system, there's one question that really matters. Will it erase my existing data drives? Recently, one of our users asked us, if I install GEAK OS on my NVMe SSD, will it affect my other data drives? Instead of simply replying, we decided to test it on real hardware. Let's see what actually happens. Now let's start the installation. During Setup, GEAK OS asks you to select the installation drive. Here I'm selecting only the NVMe SSD. The other two data drives are not selected. This is the key point. GEAK OS only installs and formats the drive you choose as the system drive. Other connected drives will not be used for installation. Wait for the system installation to finish. Once it's done, you'll see advanced settings are available here. We could configure the network and set the root password, but we won't need those for this test. Just follow the prompts to remove the boot drive, restart the system, and finish the installation. Then, visit our official website too. Download the desktop client. Scan and bind your GEAK NAS. Set up your admin username and password to complete the binding. Now let's get the results and see what's going on with the other two drives. Open storage, go to disks. And there they are, both data drives have been detected successfully. Now let's verify whether the existing data is still accessible. Now let's mount the drive and see what happens. Before mounting, GEAK OS lets us know that the drive will appear under external storage and that all users on this device will be able to access the data stored on it. We'll enter the administrator password and confirm the mount. Okay, mount successful. Here you can see the used capacity. Now let's open File Manager and go to External Storage. As you can see, all of the folders are still here. The files are still accessible. There's another option. You can also add these drives to GEAK OS and create a new storage pool. Before doing that, keep in mind that this process will erase all existing data on the selected drive. So make sure you've backed up anything important first. So the answer is clear. GEAK OS only formats the specific drive you selected for installation. Your other drives are left completely untouched. Once you re-up and running, GEAK OS automatically detects them. Just mount them as external storage to access your files right away. Alternatively, back up your data first, then set up a new storage pool or RAID. If you have any other questions about GEAK OS, drop them in the comments. We might test them in a future video. If this helped you out, don't forget to subscribe. GEAK NAS, your personal AI NAS.